Andile Mpisane is poised for a dramatic return to professional football as his mother, businesswoman Shaun Mamkhize, reportedly finalizes the acquisition of Eswatini Premier League side Mbabane Highlanders. The 23-year-old, who last donned the Royal AM jersey in December 2024, appeared to have stepped away from the sport amid turmoil at the KwaZulu-Natal-based club. Royal AM, owned and bankrolled by Mamkhize, was expelled from the Premier Soccer League earlier this year following financial woes and a massive 40 million rand tax debt. However, in a move that has shocked local football circles, Mamkhize is believed to have bought the new Swazi Giants and is set to be installed as a club president, paving the way for Mpisane's return to the pitch. An official announcement is said to be imminent. Mpisane's football journey has been anything but conventional. Despite being more widely known as a rapper and DJ, he was appointed chairman of Royal AM and began featuring in official matches under his mother's ownership. Initially used sparingly, his presence in the starting lineup became more frequent, particularly after the club was slapped with a FIFA transfer ban due to unpaid salaries owed to former players Samir Nokovic and Ricardo. Critics were quick to question the merit of his on-field inclusion. One of the most notable moments last year, Mpisane started the match but struggled to keep up with the pace and quality of the Soweto Giants, who raced at a 2-0 lead by half-time. He was substituted at the break, after which Royal AM mounted a spirited comeback to a draw 2-2. That outing would be his last in the starting 11. Royal AM played only 3 more matches before their fortunes unraveled. In April, the PSL took the extraordinary step of expelling Royal AM from the league. The club had been placed under curatorship in a bid to recover Mamkhize's outstanding tax obligations. Under the court-appointed administration, Royal AM ceased all football operations. Salaries went unpaid, training was suspended, and fixtures were missed. As a result, the league took out their remaining 11 fixtures and concluded the season with just 15 teams. Automatic relegation was suspended, with the final playoff matches determining which team will drop. While Royal AM's collapse seemed to spell the end of Mpisane's brief football career, the move to Mbabane Highlanders offers a fresh start. The Swazi club, one of the most decorated sides in Eswatini football, now looks set to be revitalized under Mamkhize's stewardship. Questions remain over whether Mpisane can elevate his game to meet the demands of top-flight football in another country. But if history is any guide, one thing is certain: wherever Mamkhize goes, headlines follow. Should the deal go through, all eyes will be on Eswatini to see how the mother-son duo reshapes the landscape of the kingdom's football scene. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.